MS Dustin. Today I'm here with my good buddy Jack, who we all know. But another guest today, Ron, United Bikers of Maine. He's the area representative for them. And Jackie and I are both proud to say both Dream Cruisers and Ninja Japanese are both sponsors for this. Ron, can you tell us a little bit more about what you guys do?
So, pretty much education on legislation. We like to let people know motorcycle safeties and all the rules of riding motorcycle safety.
All right, that's definitely taken key. As you know, at Cruisers, we love bikes. We have bikes at our events. We know Jackie over here loves everybody. You want to check out Ninja Japanese? Check out United Bikers of Maine. Thanks, everybody. We can't wait.